At Duku, we are a product design consultancy. We deal with anything from initial concept development through to a manufacture of production items. Our clients are anyone from entrepreneurs looking to sort of explore an idea through to large businesses who are maybe looking to add something to their product range or develop a new product. What soon became apparent was that we could improve our internal design processes, we could improve our speed, we could improve the costs to our customers as a result of bringing prototyping in-house. So at Duku we've got the Connex3. To be honest with you, I can't imagine how we sort of lived without it beforehand. It's really helped us to improve our design processes and put high quality parts in front of our clients from the outset. We deal with a lot of products that contain overmolded parts. So a lot of our products are quite sort of consumer focused. There's a lot of sort of touch points and ergonomic interaction between the user and the product itself. So for us to be able to prototype using multiple materials and actually print a part that has a rigid plastic with a nice kind of rubber overmold on it, that's really helpful for us. Being able to print a part that can do both of those parts within the same print, it not only improves the time that it would take for us to print those two parts individually, but we can then sort of put the whole thing together and you've got your nice product with your nice lens and your nice rubber grip on it, and it's all there. It speeds up our design process. We can maintain momentum on a project as well. Their route to market is quicker as a result of that, basically. They're happier as a result because they can see progress. And it means that if they want to try out different ideas, or we've got some suggestions for them that we think might help to improve the product a little bit further, then we can quickly try those things, put them in front of them and prove to them that an idea does or doesn't work. We review that with the client, and as a result of that, we could push forwards with confidence into opening injection molding tools for mass production. We've found SYS to be very knowledgeable, help us to establish what would be the right kind of equipment for our requirements. Anytime we've had sort of questions or sort of issues in terms of servicing that we might need some assistance with, they've always been on call to help us through that sort of path. I think SYS represents a really good option. They've got a wide range of equipment that will cater for pretty much all of your kind of 3D printing needs.